Hey guys, this is my sister and brother-in-law's Prado. We're super stoked to help them out. So they've been wanting to get a fit out done for ages now, use it for camping, and they came down the weekend and we smashed it out on Friday and Saturday. So we'll give you a little tour. So it's a 2002 Prado. We get to keep the rear seats in, so it can still just be your daily driver, but we've added the addition of the extension, which you can see in there, and turn it into a bed. So it comes a bed platform, that can just pop out, and then you just have the rear section to work with. So we've used the 50-litre chemical down under fridge. A couple of really good features about it. You can access it from either way. So this side or this side, it's got a dual lid opening, and it can be a fridge and a freezer at the same time. So you can separate it, which is awesome, and obviously got the goods in there too. So that is that. Bit of storage in behind that as well. That one then just slides in straight back under. And then on the right side here, we have a nice sized drawer, and the added little benefit of a nice little table. So again, just awesome for, when you're out camping, you can have your stuff there, pull it onto the table, and still pull the fridge out, access it, and then it just tucks away nice and tight. You've got a fixed panel, a fixed wing on the left, which houses some electricals, battery monitor system, 12-volt USB, some more 12 volts there. And then we have a wing that we can just lift out and gain more storage out of on that side, but then that just tucks away back in there nicely, like so. Take you around the side. So a little bed extension is what we spoke about. So just to show how easy it is, how quick it pops out, that one can just lift up. You can pull it straight out, and it just attaches via the barrel bolt system. So when you want to make that, you just so when you want to make that bed platform, you can just lift those barrel bolts up, lock it in, and on the underside of that extension, we've got holes that line up with that, so it slides in, locks into place so it can't slide out. It's resting on the back of the box there as well, and then we have a platform underneath that takes the weight there on the seat, so you get the whole platform. Really nice and easy to use. Looks good. You can store it away in the garage when you're not going camping, and you can just use it as a drawer system. So overall, yeah, really happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed.